Hi, I'm Ben. I'm the local rock and geology expert here at the Delaware Museum of Natural History. And today we're going to go over one of the rock kits that we use. This is on the rock cycle. And so if we want to look at these first sets of rocks here, these are our igneous rocks. Igneous rocks form from liquid like magma or lava. If it's magma, that usually means that it solidified inside the earth deep underground, like this granite. And you can see that the crystals in the granite are larger than in this basalt, and that's because they had more time to cool. Basalts are lava rocks, they're volcanic. And so this one in particular, you can see there's air bubbles in it, and that indicates that it was erupted from a volcano. Igneous rocks, like we said, come from melts, but they can be reformed into rocks that we call metamorphic rocks. So here we have a gneiss. That's G-N-E-I-S-S, not N-I-C-E. And when plate tectonics cause mountain building vents to happen, so two plates are squeezing together, they'll deform rocks like a granite into something like a gneiss with these banding patterns when the rock gets melted and squeezed and folded. And if there's a little less pressure, it'll turn into something like this, which is called a schist. Now, schist is actually pretty common here in Delaware. You can find it, and if you find little shiny flakes of mica, that's probably from a mica schist. This forms under slightly less heat and pressure than the gneiss, so it's higher up in depth than the gneiss in the mountain building event. And then we have our sedimentary rocks. And so sedimentary rocks occur when rocks like the gneiss and the granite get broken down into smaller pieces. And so here we have a sandstone. And sandstone, as the name suggests, is made of sand particles. And the first thing to start eroding away when things like a granite or a gneiss start to erode is quartz. Quartz is pretty hardy, and so it won't actually get dissolved by acid rain and things like that as easy. And so it stays in these little tiny sand grains. And eventually the layers pile up on top of each other, and the pressure causes this nice, beautiful rock to be formed. And you can sort of see the layering there. And when we have smaller grained particles like clays, they'll tend to accumulate in the deep ocean, and they can also form in rivers and things like that. They'll form these shales, and shales are microscopically grained particles of clay and silt. Sometimes there's a little mica in there. And these sedimentary rocks and these igneous rocks can both be turned into metamorphic rocks, and metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks, as well as igneous, can be remelted and extruded back out as lava or magma, and then the cycle continues. So that is our rock cycle kit. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.